Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how to star your favorite Slack channels. This is a handy feature that lets you keep your most important conversations at your fingertips. Now, to get started, make sure you're logged into your Slack account. The reason we do this is obvious, but it's important to remember to check if you're signed in. Once you're in, look for the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find a list of all your channels. The reason we start here is because this is the hub for navigating around your Slack workspace. Next up, find the channel you want to star. Hover over the channel name, and you'll see 3 dots appear. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. The reason we do this is because this menu is where you can access more options for each channel. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the option to star channel. Click on that. Now, the channel is starred and will appear at the top of your sidebar. This helps us because it makes it easy to access important channels, especially if you're part of a large team with many channels. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you star a channel. Slack is essentially prioritizing that channel for you, making it easier for you to find and engage with. And there you go. You've just starred your favorite Slack channel. It's as simple as that. Remember, the goal here is to streamline your workspace and keep the most pertinent conversations at the forefront. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. Starring your favorite channels not only helps you stay organized, but it also ensures that you don't miss out on any critical information that's shared in these channels. So that's our tutorial on how to star your favorite Slack channels. Make this a habit, and you'll find that navigating Slack becomes a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.